Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find courses in the Khan Academy app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, let's open the Khan Academy app. Then in the app you click on the Explore menu, and in the Explore menu you can tap on anything that you like. Maybe you're interested in math, you tap on math, and here you can find all the interesting courses that relate to math. Maybe you're interested in differential calculus, maybe in calculus 2, multivariable calculus, or maybe you're not interested at all in math, but more in arts and humanities. Here you can find all of the interesting arts and humanities related stuff that the world has to offer. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.